So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. For today we're going to learn about something that is very nice, very important in regarding to the use of a computer on your desktop or on your laptop. It's going to help you in different ways. So today we're going to look at Taskbar, what its main importance, like how to use it, how to play around with it, how to change, how to set it, things like that. How does it help you? So today just pay attention, make sure you watch our video from start up to the end such that you can understand how the things are done. So with time we shall show you even how to set it up in Windows 10 with time to come. So that will give you the basic knowledge on how to set up your Taskbar very well and how to change around things such that it can really give you what you want. So let's watch this video. So make sure you subscribe to our channel if it's your very first time, and make sure you leave a comment, you share this video such that you can give it to someone. So it's going to be very nice. So let's get into today's video and see how we can set our Taskbar on Windows 11. So it's very simple in Windows 11 and very nice and cool in Windows 10, but so far we're going to use Windows 11. So for today let us focus on that. So watch our video up to the end such that you can really get to know how to set it up, how to play around with it, and how to make sure it does what you really want it to do for you. So let's get into today's video and make sure you watch it up to the end such that you can really get the basic knowledge. It's not that you just stop on a video, you just watch for 50 seconds then you go away, but you have to stay on such that you can really get what we are trying to explain here. So let's get into this video. So let's see how it's done, how to set your taskbar. As you can see, your taskbar has a lot of things. It has the time and date. It has where you can see your battery. It has where you can see the volume, your Wi-Fi if it's connected, even the language on your keyboard, the language that you'll be using. It has the mic. There's something missing here. It's called the system tray, but we shall see how to put it there. As you can see, there are these buttons. We call them buttons here in the taskbar for your softwares that you use. We have for Chrome, we have for Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, File Explorer. So it has a lot of things. Even your search bar, it's here. You can search for anything that you have on your computer and you get it via via software. And your start menu, even it has that section for the weather here. But now we have Wi-Fi connected. When you click there, it takes you, there's this menu that comes up. It has the like updates, like for news when you have the Wi-Fi or you have the internet connected to it. So let us see how we can try to play around with your taskbar. So to go to settings of a taskbar, you just come here where you're seeing my cursor. You come here in the middle of the taskbar, you right click. There's that menu that comes up. It has the task manager and the taskbar set. So for us, we're interested in the taskbar settings. Click there. So when you click there, that comes up. So that's the personalization of a taskbar, how to make it your own, like change a few things that you want to change. So firstly, we are going to start with the other system tray icons. So far we have seen these buttons here down for the Chrome, Microsoft Store, and the Microsoft Edge. These are buttons for us here on the taskbar. We call them buttons. So there's these other system tray icons that can come up. You will see them. So what you do, you go here at the drop down arrow. When you click on it, there's this other menu that comes up. As you can see, they are all off. So we're going to turn them on. Remember, this is Windows 11. It's very different from Windows 10 when you're setting your taskbar. It has Windows 10 is very different and Windows 11 is very different. But for now, we're using Windows 11. So as you can see, I've tapped on the other system tray icons and this has come up. So what do we want? Okay, there's one you put in maybe a flash. There is that like self removal of it, like injecting it out. So I'm going to add it here on the system tray. You will see what will happen. I'll put it there. You see when I turn it on, this here comes up. You see, safely remove the hardware and inject media. So I've added that one. Which other can I add? Microsoft security notification. I can also add that one. You see, they are coming here. This section here, it's called the system tray. That's where you can put those things those vital things that you need on your computer. I can also add OneDrive. Yes, if you want to use it, I can also add it. If you want to use it, you can also add it. So there, I'm done. Then after I turn it back, let's focus on the system tray icons. As you can see here, they're saying choose which icon can appear in your system tray. So I'll press on the drop down arrow. As you can see, there is a pen menu and a touch keyboard, but as of now we don't have those one. We don't have a touch keyboard, but if you have it, it will be appearing here. So this one I'm not going to focus that much on it. So let's go on the last one, the taskbar behaviors. So when you press the drop down arrow, the taskbar behaviors, you will see taskbar alignment. Here it is saying it is in the center, and when here it is saying it is in the center. So we are going to check how many options does it have. Is it only the center or there are other options? So I'll press here, and for Windows 11 it only has center and left. So we are going to see the difference when we press left. What happens on our taskbar? What changes? So yeah, as you have seen, when I pressed left, the start menu button and the search bar plus these other buttons on our taskbar, they shifted from the center to the extreme left, in the extreme left corner of your screen. Then the weather widget moved from the extreme left side to the center. So that's the only difference with Windows 11. But for Windows 10 it has a lot of things, but now for Windows 11 that's the only difference. It only has left and center like that. So when you press the center but the start menu button comes in the center plus the search bar and these other buttons. Then the weather widget goes on the extreme left side of your screen. So that's how it is. So we are going to see something very small. As of now we don't have a lot of applications on our computer, but we're going to see something small. If I want to add something on my taskbar, what can I do? Which application can I add? If I want to add it on here for easy access, in case if I want to just start quickly without going to search where it is, you just come in the search on the taskbar and you just click on it. So let's check for that one. So we are going to close this. When we close this, I'll go on the start menu button and we'll see what can we add on our taskbar. Then I'll try to add a notepad to my taskbar. So I will just right click, then when I reach on the keyboard, when I reach on the notepad, I right click. So when I right click here, they will see move to front, left, right, but first was trying to pin it to the taskbar. I'll just say pin to taskbar. Automatically it comes to your taskbar. So as time goes by, when we add in a lot of applications on our laptop, you will be seeing this. I'll be adding a lot of different applications that I'll be working with. So for that today, that has been a short tutorial on how to play around with your taskbar on Windows 11. For Windows 10 it's different, and we shall also see that one when time goes by. So that has been our tutorial for today. So I know you've picked something, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment. Then we shall see on how to come up with different tutorials. So the next tutorial will be about how to create a folder on your desktop interface or screen. So get ready and stay tuned on our channel. We shall soon drop that video such that you can learn how to create your own personal folder on your desktop. So now I think you know how to set your taskbar, you know how to change things, you know how to play around, you know how buttons to be added onto it, things like that. You know how to add a few icons on a system tray. So a taskbar, actually that's what's really going to help you on how to navigate your computer effectively and more easily, so that you can get what you want at the right time. You know how to, like, you can look for a file in a taskbar through your search bar, which is there on the taskbar. Then you can even hide your taskbar in case you don't want to see it when you're doing something. You're watching a movie, you don't want it to be there down, you can automatically hide it and it go away. And when you want to access it, you just use your cursor to go down and you pick it up. That's how simple things are. So you just have to make sure you give time, you keep on practicing. If you have your own personal computer or your laptop or your desktop, you play around with things such that you get to know what this does. When you change this, how does it affect this one? So you know things work hand in hand on your computer. So thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to us. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, and actually you comment because we want to know what you think. So when you start commenting, that will create more engagement between our viewers and us, such that we know what you want. Understand? So in our next video we shall see how to create your personal folder on your computer. That is your computer screen interface. We shall see how to create your own folder. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.